I like to think of what we would want to teach the students as they're going through, to always be servant leaders. By that I mean they're called to serve others. They're called to lead, but they're called to lead as servants. Get out there and put your hands in the dirt and get dirty and work with the people that you're involved with or responsible for. To always do that. Never just be a leader that thinks he's a leader and doesn't have to take on work and do hard work and get his hands dirty. And that's what I like to instill in our students, that they be people like that.
That's interesting, because you have students obviously who come from all different towns, all different backgrounds. But when you think about a profile of a Seton Hall Prep student, is service something that comes to mind?
Service is definitely one of the things that we take on as one of our major concerns at the school. That service would be a big part of their going through here. Academics, of course, are very important. The spiritual aspect is very important. But the idea of service and caring for others while they're going through school, with the hope that they'll continue to do it when they go to college and then in later life as family members. They will keep up that idea of service. So service is definitely one of our major goals and concerns.
If I know you even a little bit, I know you're not satisfied with status quo. You're always looking, whether it's personally or the prep, to improve. Where can we get better? So if you look, say 5-10 years down the road, what do you see for Seton Hall Prep?
Well, I see the school just getting better and better. I'm very thrilled with our faculty, with our leadership at the school. Mike Dalla, who is the headmaster at the school now, is doing a tremendous job. And I have a lot of faith and trust in Mike that he will continue everything going at the school. And he is always looking to improve. He's made adjustments already as far as improvements at the school. And so I have confidence that that's always going to be the case. It can always get better, yes. And we always strive to be better and be on top and be the best available for the future students.
I want to start out by thanking Msgr. Kelly for your guidance and leadership. Msgr. Kelly hired me at the age of 22, and I've been blessed to call Seton Hall Prep my home for the last 42 years. Seton Hall Prep is a place of family, faith, compassion, and courage. We are proud of our rich history and the brotherhood that is established at the Prep. Our students enter as boys and leave as young men, prepared to meet the challenges of college and beyond with the maturity and strong moral compass. Our goal is to have our students become the best version of themselves. That goes for our school as well. As Msgr. Kelly eloquently stated, we must always improve and strive to be the best that we can. That is why we are undertaking this important initiative and conducting the Foreman Hands-On Servant Leaders campaign, as we are determined to share the promise of Seton Hall Prep education and shape the future through enlightened and empowered graduates. The Prep is a place of brotherhood and life-changing opportunity. However, we exist in an ever-increasingly competitive landscape, and that means we must be financially ready to support students of great promise, be able to retain our excellent faculty, and provide top-notch facilities. As the Prep approaches our 175th anniversary, we are launching the Foreman Hands-On Servant Leaders campaign. To honor our vision, to maintain a diverse community, regardless of a family's ability to pay, that offers a transformative life experience, and to be known for providing every student with a balanced academic experience in a nurturing Catholic community. Through the Foreman Hands-On campaign, we plan on raising $50 million for our endowment. This will address key capital and endowment needs, including 2 new digital classrooms, a new health and wellness center at the Kelly Athletic Complex, a complete renovation of our Barely Seton Auditorium for Performing Arts, and a brand new entranceway to our gymnasium that will include a beautiful display honoring the Prep's Hall of Fame. We will also be raising endowment funds for key areas including tuition assistance and financial aid, faculty enrichment and development, Kairos retreats, the Thomas J. Griffin Bridges Scholarship Program, the Walton Family Center. The plan is to invest in our students and faculty and to grow our endowments to ensure a strong present and successful future. The future is filled with enormous opportunities if we remain committed to our vision. The Foreman Hands-On Servant Leaders campaign will provide us with the financial resources to do so. By raising $25 million for endowment and $25 million for capital projects, it'll help pave the way for the next 100 years in our storied history. We are grateful that the Prep has a tremendous tradition and history of generous, philanthropic support from alumni, parents, and friends. Our passionate community has answered the call for support before, and we trust it will usher the Prep into the future. Thank you for your time and support. Hazards at Forward.